Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of educational toys with the best Insect Lore Ladybug Kit available in the market. This is a fantastic way to explore nature up close with your kids. Let's see what makes this kit so special. The Insect Lore Live Ladybug Growing Kit is designed to be an engaging and educational experience for children. It comes with everything you need to observe ladybugs through their life cycle, from larvae to adult bugs. Inside the box, you'll find a voucher for 10 to 13 live ladybug larvae. These are shipped directly to your doorstep with all the food they need to grow. It's fascinating to watch them transform. One of the best things about this kit is its educational value. It's not just about watching ladybugs grow, it's about learning the science behind their life cycle. It's perfect for sparking curiosity and teaching kids about nature in a hands-on way. Setting up the kit is straightforward. You get clear instructions on how to care for the larvae and create an ideal habitat for them. It's a great way to introduce children to basic biology concepts while having fun. Now, you might be wondering how this kit stacks up against other options. Insect Lore is known for its quality and reliability in delivering live insect kits. This kit stands out for its educational content and the care taken in packaging live insects safely. Another key point is customer support. Insect Lore provides excellent support if you have any questions or concerns about your kit. They're committed to making sure your experience is both educational and enjoyable. It's important to note that while handling live insects, there are safety considerations, especially with children. Make sure to follow the provided guidelines to ensure a safe and enriching experience. Many parents and educators have shared positive feedback about this kit, highlighting its ability to captivate young minds and foster a deeper appreciation for nature. It's truly a hands-on learning adventure. In conclusion, the Insect Lore Live Ladybug Growing Kit is more than just a toy. It's an educational tool that encourages curiosity and exploration. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or nature enthusiast, this kit offers a unique way to connect with the natural world. If you're interested in exploring nature with your children or students, consider getting the Insect Lore Live Ladybug Growing Kit. Check the description below for more information and links. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.